So what is awe? Awe is a feeling of deep exhilaration, of truth, of knowing that we feel inside of us. Something that cannot be purchased, cannot be acquired anywhere, in any store, any department. It is solely found within us, within the mindfulness, within the feeling of deep connection that we connect to that point inside of us. That's why so often we love to go into nature. We love to meditate and to go into a state of mind of recognizing that there is that awe feeling, and that is the deepest aspect of who we are. The word Yerushalayim and the city of Yerushalayim means a complete awe, and it's the place in the world that awe was felt in a complete way. It's the place of the temple, it's the place of merging of heaven and earth, and it's the place of where we connect our highest selves. On the 17th of the month of Tammuz, the walls of Jerusalem were breached. Finally, on the 9th of Av, the temple was destroyed. What does this mean to us in our lives? What does this mourning really essentially mean? And so the breaching of the walls of Jerusalem means the recognition of something which is outside of that deep feeling of awe which is found within, that is perhaps more important. Perhaps the grass is greener on the other side. Maybe that is the truth. Maybe I need to go there. Maybe I need to check out this. Maybe I need to scroll down to that. Maybe I need to comment on this. Maybe I need to turn my mind around to figure out something which is completely irrelevant. But whatever the case is, when we search for the truth and it's not resonating inside of who we are in the deepest level, that is the breaching of the walls of Jerusalem. The building of Jerusalem and that feeling of that complete awe is taking charge of the walls around us, recognizing that we need to set up boundaries, need to set up walls, need to set up times and restrictions in certain things in our lives that will help us feel that sense of awe. If we don't set limits and don't set times to do the things which are the most important things in our lives, then we essentially will never feel awe and always leave it to others to make that feeling felt. So, building our own Jerusalem, building our inner temple, putting up the walls of Jerusalem, and with that may we ultimately see the rebuilding of Jerusalem within and outside.